this is Steven from Hikway. Nice to meet you again. Okay, today I would like to introduce you the 8-channel 1080p mobile DVR. Okay, come on, let's see. Okay, this is the boxing of the mobile DVR. Okay, A6H H2C. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. You can see the MDVR is very good protected. Okay, this is the MDVR, and here is the accessory box. Okay, okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the 4 cables. Okay, for 2 cameras. Okay, so there are 4 cables, so we can collect 8 cameras. Okay. This is the GPS Wi-Fi model. So here is the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, this is the GPS antenna. This is metal real cover. Okay, this is the power port. This is the alarm and the serial cables. Okay, and here you can see the keys. Okay, let's open it. This is the stick for the hard drive. If you want to side installation or hand installation, we can stick this on the hard disk. Okay. Okay. Here is the keys. Okay. And here is a very useful tool. Okay. We say Wi-Fi Direct. Okay. We install it on the MDVR for easy live view and configuration. Okay. Okay, let's see the mobile DVR. Okay. You can see here is IR port. Okay, and here is video out port. Here is the LAN port, and here is the 6-pin collectors for cameras. Okay, and here is the power port, and here is the Wi-Fi and GPS. Okay, let's unlock it. Okay, here is the USB port. Okay, let's see here. Okay, you can see. Okay, and when we install the hard drive, we just put here. Okay. Okay, very convenient. Okay, this is the unboxing of these 8-channel mobile DVRs. Okay. And we can use cameras, okay, to collect here the 4-pin collectors, okay, like this, right? Okay, and here is the 7-inch monitors. Okay, you can buy from us. We collect here. Okay, the video. Okay, and very easily wiring. Okay. Okay, installation of the hard drive. Okay, first we unlock it. Okay. Okay, and then we can push to open, right? Okay, and then we will just pour it. Okay, then and we insert the hard drive. Okay. Okay, just like this, and then press. Okay, very easy. Okay, and then we unlock it, and then we lock it. Okay, take out the disk. Okay, push, pour it. Okay. Okay, so we install it, and then we have the screws. Lock it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so much for the introduction of the 8-channel 1080p mobile DVR. Okay, wish you like and see you next time.